Welcome to Pan-African TV Unplug.
My name is Maaz.
Okay, sir. So I want to ask, how do you see this event here today?
What can I say? The event is an annual event, and the person in question that organizing and doing his 9th anniversary with Mark is my junior brother. He has been a supportive of me, and I've been a supportive of his business and career. So I'm honored to be here and to witness today's event. It's a great honor.
I understand that this is the 16th anniversary. So that means we have like from 1, 2 to 16. So what do you think you are expecting differently from this anniversary?
We're expecting a lot. There will be a lot of improvements, ideas, and I believe that with his own experience in the field, is not the level or the grade he is last year, he's going to be this year. And I believe that by next year, he's going to upgrade more and more. You know, we are into the digital world. Most things happens on internet and social media, and I believe he's very much aware of that. So he will have to adapt and follow up with the technology and way of broadcasting.
Very good. I understand that today we'll be having some award, and as well as is into wine industry. So I would like to ask, do you have any taste of the wine, or what can you tell us about his wine?
The wine, he also is a dealer, wine dealer, and he always say the best. So the new product is going to market today or unveil today will be so wonderful, and I believe that it is good, and I have tested it and it's very nice. It's a wine that you can recognize for men, women, old and young. So that is the beauty of it. It's what everyone can drink, and without even having over carry or water in the morning. So it's what the drink you can drink, and it will be nice on your body, and your system will not be disorganized or you have a head issue. So it's very nice, the drink. So about the award is annual. Giving an award is an act of recognition and encouragement to people that is doing or are distinguished in one way or the other in their field of business, career or work. So today's own, I know that people that are selected to give the award today are people that really deserved it. I'm a general merchant, and when you're a general merchant, it means I can do and push hands to so many things. All we're working for is for profit. So now I do so many businesses in Apanda. I'm doing businesses. Tomorrow I'm right to venture into wine business. So you can not reach out to my business. My future business we are going to try.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Ifemokai Harrison.
Wow, you sound like a titled man, sir.
Yeah, I am.
That's good to know, sir. Welcome to today's event of Triple Chief for his 16th anniversary. So what can you tell us about this event today?
Yeah, of course. Everybody knows Triple Chief. Wafribe has been in existence for a very long time. He has been in this business for a very long time. He has been doing well for himself. And then this is an annual event. This is not the first time. I think this is about the second or the third one. And of course, it's worth it. So you can see the number of people here. He has really merited it. That's why everybody is trooping out for him, and I think he deserves it. He deserves all the accolades, for sure.
So what are you expecting to see today?
Yeah, of course. Some of the things we already know, and then something new, because he already promised us that he's coming with a bank, something new, and he's going to introduce a lot of new things in his business. So I expect to see some of those new things. Okay,
so what can you tell us about today's award ceremony?
Of course, today's award ceremony he gives it. I think the last time he gave it to a whole lot of deserving awardees, and I expect today to be something better. Anyways, I got one last year, and for sure, I don't know about this year, but we've been supporting him for a long time.
I wanted to ask if you're a dealer, but of course you've answered the question already by saying you got an award last year. So this year, are you expecting anything this year?
No. I actually came here to support him. We've always supported. He has always been. Every time I called him, he has always showed up. So every time he calls me, he's a brother and a friend. So I'm only here to support him and to push his brand, because the most important thing is to push his brand to the world, and that's what we are all doing.
Chief Emuka Harrison, he got an award previously, and let's see what happens this time around. Of course, we have a lot of entertainment inside, and I want you to go inside with us as well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
It took the government of Nigeria 22 years to build airport for us. You know why? all of us get airport for our compound. We dey land, we no dey crash. You don't ever hear say they catch within which you can't dey confess. Confess, na lie, problem. Na Yoruba which they catch. Yoruba which go one, they won't press you for night. They just flag on the very laugh. What's it funny? Within which no dey laugh. As they come out, yeah. 2 liters of blood that come up for your neck, so people use them go look. Now for Lagos, 9 man will just look woman break the heart. Anita, it is over between you and I. The girl with the beggar, please now. I did not do you anything now, please. The girl, Anita, I said it is over. Go Benin, go tell one girl. Just tell her, say it's okay. It is over. The girl will look you. You say waiting. It is over. She will open her bag. Remove small powder, blow. Far away, go and compound like this. Die, bang. You can't ask it. You say what? You can't change your mind. I mean,
I expect to have fun. I've already seen some people that I know, my relatives, people from my town. So I'm very happy. I'm so happy to be here because I've seen a lot of people that I've not seen over the years. And I expect to be more happier. Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know. I'm so happy with you at the same time. I think we share the same energy right now. So I would like to ask, do you know Triple Chief, or how well do you know?
Very, very well. He has been my childhood friend. We grew up together. In fact, he's a friend. He's part of my family. He's my brother.
So what are you expecting here today?
I expect a lot of things, goodies, things that will make me happy. Honestly, I'm prepared to have fun today, and I will have it. I know, say, if any game today. Are you Igbo?
Okay, man.
If any game.
Thank you, madam. It's a pleasure meeting you. What's your name, sir?
Sir Esana Ohazuru, she one of Newe, Mavic Group.
You sound like a titled man, sir. Are you a titled man?
Yes, I'm a titled man.
I can see from your regalia, you look so elegant, sir. So I would like to ask, what's your expectation here today?
I'm here to support Mwafribe. He's doing 16 years in the
wine industry.
In the wine industry. I'm here to support him and give him full support because he's a good person.
What's your personal relationship with him, sir?
No, we stay together in market. He's a good person. And any occasion, he said me, he's loyal to everybody. I need to give him full support. Anybody is loyal. When he's doing something, people will come and support him. He's not doing mago.
I'm really happy to hear that, sir. That means you are trying to tell individuals out there, entrepreneurs and businessmen, be humble, because you will get maximum support from people you don't expect, like the chief himself. So, sir, I would like to ask, what do you like to see here today in terms of entertainment?
If I'm there, anything I say, I take it because of he's already in the field. He knows what he needs. And he will know what will bring and make us happy. We'll support him. I'm not so by name.
I guess you've been in the previous events before now.
Sure.
So what's your expectation from previous events and today?
My expectation is to go there and adjust with him because he's celebrating 16 years anniversary. So it's not easy. So I'm just going there to adjust with him. Eat, dance, spray.
You know, when you taste something and it's so nice and you don't have the right word for it, or guy is experiencing the same thing, I can tell you that's the same reason why he wants to spray today. So I'm really happy to be with you here today, and thank you for your time.
My name is Mr. Ikechukwanze.
You sound like a titled man, sir. Are you?
I'm a titled man.
Wow, it's an honor meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
This is Pan Africa TV. We are the major media house covering the event here today. So you know, today is Triple's Chief 16th anniversary and award ceremony. So I would like to ask, sir, what's your expectation here today?
Nothing much, just to get the occasion, make sure that everything went fine, and I pray that God will also make his whatever he's doing in this industry, that he will go well. and bring more money for him.
Have you tasted any of the wine?
Most of them now.
So
it depends on the one I have on table here.
So okay,
I have on table now, we can manage.
My guy is a general.
Well, I don't know the one I have now, but I know that Triple G know what happened. You know what is on the board. So can I bring out the Christian champagne? You know about that.
See, Oga is just giving it on point, word for word, champagne, as in is on point. So so which of the wine that you have tasted that you really like?
Christian champagne is okay.
At this point, so much respect for you, sir. It's an honor meeting you.
This is 4 o'clock. Now the DJ is playing the letter for them to know that it's about to close. Now DJ can change the time for them now. How can I wait? I also DJ now and what you watch on him. My name is Chibueze. Forget the other Benin name. You know, say that only Igbo person will do something where it will last for life. Queen Elizabeth just died. You know, they bury her. If na Yoruba king die like that, they will first do oro for 2 weeks. Block everywhere. As Queen Elizabeth big rich, her burial not tough rich Obi Kubana mama burial. Obi Kubana, if mama die, people go dey pray say make their mama die. Obi Kubana mama burial. Na concert now. If you get from 10 billion and above, you go dey inside the compound. 5 million, you go dey outside. 200 million, primary school. 5 million outside Anambra, you go dey Igbo. Shut down! Honorable John Bosco. By the one and only Triple Chief MC Nwafuribe. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, these awardees have been of significant benefit and relevance to the brand of the one and only Triple Chief MC Nwafuribe. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be calling on them as they come through in no distance time. We are going to be reading a citation on them and we'll be bringing them on stage. But before we do that, trust me, there's enough to eat and to drink. Alright? Eat, enjoy. Eat what you sabi. If na jollof, chop am. If na semo, chop am. Swallow, chop am. Welcome on stage, the one, the only MC Onukube. Make some noise for Onukube, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. We're going to be DJ. Sound 100 naira. We're back. We're in one final. Check for that marriage. Here we get with all the Uncle Triple. I want to go over and give back my family. Always useless on Congress. How you have to watch up see it? My brother, I want to go there and I found a feed to money. Let you that's a triple fish. My boss, Triple. Oh, you forget more than Chineke does in the nose of religion. How many people in one for you? Afọ bụ maka ndị nwere ahụ. Ọ bụ iwere ihe kakacha ahụ n'idi enwe gwara afọ ndọ. Ịbịa dịka akwụrụ lụrụ ewu. I'm begging, I'm pleasing you in this home. You don't have money and you have this stomach. Let you go and reduce that rubbish. We are tired of hailing the wrong people. Oh, when the boss had your armor for you now, I'm not no water. Bruno don't go with the briefcase and then hail their battalion. Did they give me some? I play with the players in the hey! Family problem they were here. I'm gonna pump only more you to my water, the more room for that family. I'm gonna boil 8 years of what is wrong or no way. Join our pumps in the room. A member employed 831, Sakam 834. If I was not going, I'm not going to employ for no the shortest. I'm going to go. I don't have my brother called you to put them like this. I'm not going to like this. Pia. My brother, I can't say now. Emena Yahoo, 8 years, no way. The only idiot madam with a very useless mother. Only the Lebanese or flash and more. Not holding that on the focusing. My brother, I teach you money, Emena Yahoo. I could be more happy than in a booty in a rock, my brother was one in a rocket. One thing I see and they can send that day. That's not us. They put it here. Love the way more. Love the way more. Everyone will love the way you're over. Hey! One name I'm for traditional marriage. My body Egrom Sunday. The moon of the Ebu. Egrom Sunday, the Ebu Sunday, come on now, we take another time. To see again at the end. My brother, 2023, he take up to your votes. Let me listen to your votes. My brother, you like it big boy. Only one of them come up. Who know you shishi? Whatever. My brother, why are you married? Without any shishi, let guys get the club on our but I didn't find money from entrance. From entrance. What I would not have that. But I don't want to get to home. How about whatever you did? Guys, you know we're good. We ain't going to have a club. What that guy's a club. They go. They will come find me lonely. That's how they use sleep. Now, they tell some I can go only when you make a son of 130. Only when I come 130, my body. Only when I come 130, my body. Where the child football to start. I don't get one people when you to buy that club. No, I want a jacket to go buy. Now, but all the boss have a going with like a 530. If we're not going to say sorry, we want to lock the club, no. But you can't do that. Now we the push ourselves. Now 12:30 to 1. If one guy don't stop, now we don't have never. 2:30. I'm not going to get one problem on stop. Yes, you know,
listen to your Mr. Gold voice.
That was those days. And your boy and was not what I was. You know what? If you need to go on, but I need to be one of us very fine. That's one of you. 1, 2. I will go layers. 1,000. Each like I will do 800. Oh, when you put that in my mouth, let's do it. Then I talk to the doctor. They don't promote their cry. Every day, even the next year, my brother, get that. Okay, so once you think now, it is easy after that. Any year, I'm all over the region. I know last week, that is all I'm going to do. I know last week, was passing the woman that pushed the baby cruise on Joanna. I said, being a Nigerian. I said, the woman, when I push her, we can see something like an eye, but we're not sure. Push her, you know, the young people. Simba. The third one now, the devil in the next comes out. Well, once the man push, get her and doesn't the baby. Well, once the man push, the baby goes in. I said, man, push. Finally, the baby, you see the baby put down. I'm not a man in Nigeria. Uche na Dubai. Was what I had a very simple cry. Okay, even in the glory there, no one of Nigeria poverty. I said, who's money very good? Oh, no, I'm going to live in John. If you can have money, very easy, very down. Even if you want to buy Nigeria. All I cannot do by that, you have to continue very calm. Every the women of the mother of Nigeria gone, the window of the hospital, the close to express. So it's not the baby on there, they can't cry, so you don't do that. Let them share my food. What you want me on there? Come on, the back. Everybody say, I close to already have a break. I don't want to say that close to the you will be here for the work on it. I get it. And would have guess you would so that I love. Now, let me just run it up. Now, the baby can ever. Was one winning the baby? I don't know. Everyone know what I go to the baby. Was one winning? I don't know what they go to the picture. I don't know can ever. I wish I can. Any breast? No breast. Okay, Mr. Gilly. Now watch it now. The baby can even. But what's it? But what's it? I don't know what they go to mention now. Giant and I'm going to like here. If you bless her. Stop it. Calm down. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I think that should be my time. Enjoy the rest of the evening. God bless you.